Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, good morning everyone. Today we are going to continue our error identification. So, please take out your comment exercise and turn to page 24. We are going to look at exercise 5 today. So, number 1, you look at the question first. Same as exercise 4, I will give you 3 seconds to think before I review the answers to you. Okay, so number 1, look at your comment exercise. I like watch butterflies. They are beautiful and colorful, and to me, they are the most wonderful creatures in the world. So A, B, C, D, which is the wrong one? Number 1, the answer is A. Alright, so we change watch to watching or to watch. So after the verb like, the following verb, you can put ing or you can plus to plus original verb. Okay, so you can see the answer can be I like watching butterflies or I like to watch butterflies. But there is a slight difference between I like watching and I like to watch butterfly. If I say I like watching butterflies, if I plus ing, means this emphasize experience and action. Watching butterfly, this action and this experience. I like this experience. If I put I like to watch butterflies, if I put to plus infinitive, this is to show my preference. Okay, to show my preference, I prefer to do this thing or my habits. Okay, but either one can be accepted. Okay, so number 1, answer is A. B and C is correct, and D, wonderful, 3 syllables, wonderful. So we use most. Okay, so we use the most wonderful. So number 2, look at the questions. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving me this wonderful dinner. I am deeply touched by your kindness. So 3, 2, and 1. Number 2, answer is B. Yes, so give you change to giving because after the word for, the following verb you must put ing. Okay, for example, thank you for coming, thank you for listening, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, or sorry for disturbing. Yeah, so after for behind the verb you must put ing. Okay, so next, number 3. From the summit of the mountain, we can get a panoramic view of the harbor with its ships, ferry launches, sampans, motorboats, and junks. So number 3, what is your answer? A, B, C, or D? Number 3, alright, we look at each option one by one. Okay, we look at D first. What is the meaning of junks? Junks also means one kind of ships. Okay, means 帆船. Okay, so this is correct, junks. Because in front, motorboat, sampans, all with S. So junks also need to have S. Okay, then C, harbor. Do you know what is harbor? Putri Harbor, harbor front. So all this harbor means the place that all the ferry, all the ships will park. Okay, so means harbor. And panoramic, I guess everyone, if you have a smartphone, in your camera function, they will have one function called panorama. Panorama is you can take a picture without any obstructions. You can take a wide view of an extensive area. So panoramic is the adjective. Panoramic view means you can get a view, you can get a scenery without any obstruction. Okay, it means 广角, something like 广角. Okay, then B is also correct because view is noun, so in front a noun we need adjective. Okay, so panoramic is adjective. You can write down. So number 3 answer is A. Yes, so we change submit, S-U-B-M-I-T, to submit, M-S-U-M-M-I-T. So what is the meaning of these two words? First, submit, you know, every time when I ask you to submit the thing means you pass up the thing, formally send in something. Okay, so submit your homework, submit your report. The other submit, S-U-M-M-I-T, is a noun, means the highest point or the peak of a mountain. So the summit of Himalayas is Mount Everest. Okay, so the summit. So this is number 3. Continue number 4. On Chinese New Year Day, all the children put on their best clothes. They are the happiest lot. Happiest lot means happiest people, happiest group of people. Okay, so lot here means group of people. So number 4 answer is 3, 2, 1. Number 4 answer is C. Yes, clothes and clothes is different. Okay, so you can look at the pictures here. Cloth means the fabric, the textile. Okay, and clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, means the attire. Okay, means the attire, the one that you wear every day. It's clothes. Okay, so number 4 answer is C. And number 5, continue. Look at your comma exercise. So this composition is much better because it has less mistakes compared to that one. So number 5 answer is, seems like every of the option is correct, but if you look at it carefully, you can still find out the mistake. So number 5 answer is B. Why we need to change less to fewer? Why? Because less is for uncountable noun. Is for uncountable noun. For example, less salt, less money, or abstract noun, less honesty, or less love. So this word less is for uncountable noun. For fewer is for countable noun, the things that you can count. For example, fewer mistakes. You look at the word mistakes, there is S. So means that this is more than one mistake. So we can count the mistake. So we use fewer. Okay, for more example, fewer ingredients, fewer dollars. Dollars can be counted, but money cannot. And fewer people or fewer puppies. Okay, so those we can count, we use fewer. Remember? And continue number 6. Ahmad and Akau are both good at sports. Remember, good at sports. Okay, good at means you are very professional. You are very pro. Okay, the former is good at shot put while the latter is good at throwing discus. So number 6, what is your answer? If you are in track and field, then you might be very familiar of these two kinds of sports. So number 6, answers can be C and D. Okay, so this is the spelling error. You look at C first. So short put. You can see the pictures here, the left hand side, these pictures. This is called shot put. Shot put means you carry a very heavy round metal ball and throw as far as you can. Okay, so this is called shot put. S-H-O-T and then space, then P-U-T, shot put. And you look at the right picture. So this is called discuss. It's not discuss, okay? This discuss, D-I-S-C-U-S-S, is the discussion that you do with your friends in the classroom. That is discuss. The sports is discuss. discus. Okay, discuss. Discuss is a heavy, thick dis. Also, you also need to throw it as far as you can. Okay, so this is number 6. Answer can be C and D. Alright, let's continue. Number 7. I would be very much obligated to you if I could be called for an interview at any time convenient to you. So number 7. Oh, this is a very good question. So you look at the answer is A. Okay, the answer is A. Obligated. And you change to oblige. So what is the difference between these two words? Obligated. Obligated. Have you ever heard one word called obligation? Voting is the obligation of every Malaysian citizens who reach 18 years old. Okay, so this is our obligation. Obligation means 义务. Okay, you have the obligation to do something or else you will be punished or fined. So voting, it is your obligation. So obligated means 义务. Okay, and oblige. What is the meaning of oblige? Oblige means a form of being thankful or appreciated. If you do something for others, other people will feel very thankful or appreciated or very grateful to you. Okay, so this is the difference between these two words. Can you get it? If you cannot get it, then you come to DM me. I will explain in detail to you again. Alright, so 7, answer is A. Continue, number 8. A serious incident happened along Jalan Langgar yesterday. Okay, so a bus collided. Collided means crash, hit by accident when moving. Okay, crash, collided with a lorry, resulting in 1 death and 3 others injured. So you see behind 1 death and 3 others injured. So number 8 answer is it incident or accident? Number 8 answer is A. We change incident to accidents. Okay, so here you must know what is the difference between these two words. Incident is an unexpected event, result in property damage. Okay, you look at the pictures at the left hand side, but does not result in an injury or illness. Okay, so this is basically what left hand side these pictures describe. And what is accident? Accident, you can see the ambulance, means someone died. Okay, or someone injured. So this is called accident. Okay, so number 8 answer is A. Alright, continue. Number 9. Boys and girls, please get ready with your pens and writing papers. Jot down while I dictate the notes to you. Number 9, very obvious the answer. So number 9, 3, 2, 1. Answer is C. Alright, so you can look, there are 2 pictures here. The left hand side is jogging. Jogging is good for your health. So this is jog. And jot it down means when I am talking, I'm telling you some important things in the class, then I ask you to jot it down. Alright, so if you don't know the meaning, please jot down the meaning right now. Okay, so jot down. So J-O-T, jot down. Alright, next. You look at option D. Look at D. What is the meaning of dictate? Means I read something aloud. Read out loud. Okay, so dictate. But there is another meaning for dictator. Do you know what is dictator? Dictator means someone who obtained the control by using force. Dictator in Chinese means 专权者. Okay, so dictator. So any famous dictator that you can think in this world nowadays? Dictator. Kim Jong-un, right? So Kim Jong-un is the North Korean politicians. This is only for your extra knowledge. Okay, so dictate is the verb. Dictator is the noun. And last questions. He is tall, dark, and handsome. Judging by his look, he is in his 20s. Okay, so you look at A, he is tall. Tall is correct. And B, handsome. Handsome also correct. No spelling error. And C, judging by his look. Judging. So first word, if there is no is be verb in front, then we use judging. So this is also correct. So judging means something to do with the mentality. Before you think, then you make this decision. Okay, so by his look. D, look is appearance, the physical appearance. So this is also correct. So number 10, there is no error for these questions. Alright, so number 10, A, B, C, D are all correct. Yes, that's all for our exercise 5. So if you have any questions, please come and ask me. See you all next time.